stunning 5-bedroom 3-bath home in a prestigious Widewater Sub. Large open floor plan West hardwood floors and separate dining room. Gourmet Kitchen features upgraded stainless steel appliances, double oven, backsplash, island with tons of cabinet space. Large master bedroom suite West Trey Ceiling double vanity sinks, garden tub West/separate shower, and large walk-in closet. Private backyard with fence, large deck, plus patio ideal for entertaining. Irrigation system and surround system incl. Pool Comm West walking trail. Close to shops dining 264,540,440 and 40.